Hey, wanna know how to turn on or turn off camera shutter sound on your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, unfortunately, there is no way how to mute the sound by itself, but I have found a way how to do it. And for that, we would need to go to our control center. So, as you can see here, we got this button which is currently saying mute, which means that all of these system sounds will be muted and you will not hear anything. Any clicks, taps, any actions that are categorized as system sound. But if you would like to hear the system sounds, which includes also the camera shutter sound, click on this button once more until it will switch to sound. When it in the sound mode, you will hear every system sounds that you are doing, and the camera shutter sound, of course, will be hearable too. So if we want to turn on, we would need to put this button in the sound mode, and if we would like to turn off, we would need to click 2 times until it will switch to mute mode. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.